Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you guys can fix DL missing error in Windows 11. As you can see right here, I'm using the Windows 11 and I'm using the latest version of Windows 10, is 22S2. So all you have to do is follow the tutorial from starting to end. So first of all, you have to download the file. The file is at the download link in my description. Just go ahead and download the file. Once you download the file, then you have to extract the file. You can extract this file. Now right click on it and then you can select extract all option. You have to click on extract. And this folder will open up here, something like this. And you have to open this folder. When you open this folder for the first time, then here you will find this three folders: command, DACTX, runtime web installer, download missing DLL file. First I'm gonna open the DACTX runtime web installer, run this setup. Now click on the setup, then it will ask you to allow. Then you have to click on yes. Choose I accept the agreement, next, and check this option. Install the Bing bar. I don't want this. Click next. It is going to take a little bit of time to install Microsoft DACTX in your Windows 11. It can help you to fix your DLL missing error. So we can click on next. So as you can see, it is downloading all the update that is available for your Windows 11. As you can see that it is installing the missing DLL in my computer. Once the installation is completed, then you can click on the finish button. Now you're all done installing the DACTX runtime web installer. And go back in the folder, then open the commands folder. And here you will find .txt file. Just open this file. When you open this file, then you're going to get these two commands in this file. Just copy the first one from here, then launch cmd as administrator. Just right click, choose as administrator, click yes. Paste the command right over here, back Ctrl V, then hit enter. Now it is going to scan your PC and then it will fix your problem. Now all you have to do is just wait for that to complete the whole process. Now as you can see, Windows Resource Protection found corrupt files and successfully repaired them. So it has fixed my problem. So I'm gonna copy the second command from here and I'm gonna paste it right over here by Ctrl V, then I'm gonna hit enter. Now it's going to take a little bit of time again to solve your issue. It is loading right over here and it is showing me the percentage right over here. So now once the process is completed, then you can see operations completed successfully. Now I'm gonna close this window. Now I'm gonna close also this. So we are done all doing this. Now you have to launch your program in which you are getting this DLL error. So if your problem not solved, then you have to follow this step. This is the last step, downloading the missing DLL file. So open this folder, download missing DLL file from here, and double click on this link. Now this website will open up here in your browser. So now here you can type your DLL missing error, something if you're getting like VC runtime 140, MSVCP, MSVCP 100, or any another error, you just have to type right over here. Let me just type VC runtime 140.dll. Type the correct name of your DLL right here, and here you will see your DLL file. Click on it, and here you should have to download the architecture 64 because you are doing this on Windows 11. Windows 11 only supports 64-bit. That's why we have to download this architecture 64. Just click on this download icon. Now download will start in 2 seconds, 1 second, and as you can see, it is asking me to save. Click on save. Now once you're downloading it, go to downloads folder, then extract it. Click extract over here. Now copy this DLL file from here which you have downloaded and go to C drive, program files, and you have to find you have to go into C drive and Windows and go to system 32. This is 32 folder. Then I'm gonna paste this DLL file right over here and click continue. Now once you're done, then you have to launch your program in which you're facing the error. Now after doing all the steps that's shown in this video, you're not going to face any DLL error in your Windows 11. So hope you guys found this quick video helpful. Make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.